Hello everyone, you've caught me here popping and looking. Just joking. So today's tutorial is going to be how to make your own belly dance belt from scratch. So for this tutorial you're going to need your own belly dance belt that you have already, just to trace the pattern. As you can see, here is the pattern. I've literally just traced it and I've made sure to fold it so both of the sides are exactly the same. Now for the base fabric, I'm using this cotton drill. I've added a seam on it because it's just my spare fabric, and to be honest I don't really want to go out and buy more, but I mean there's no reason for you to just use it on the straight, because it's like, it would probably be even easier, to be honest. It's just an extra job that you're doing. If you do it on the fold like me, you want to make sure to iron it out really well. This is just going to be the back. I'm actually using a blue fabric, as you can see here, for the top bit, because it's going to contrast with the belly dance top that I've also made. Now, as you can see, the fabric is very sheer and very soft, so I'm going to make sure to back it up with Stay Flex. So Stay Flex is basically used just to stiffen garments. It's got really teeny weeny dots of glue that you just iron onto the fabric. So here's a close-up for you to see the little teeny bits of glue. You can get it in all different kinds of thickness. I'm just using a sort of a medium thickness because, like I said, it's just what I've got lying around, because I don't really want to spend more money, and I like to sort of, just use the trimmings that I have left over. So here it is. This is the really nice soft fabric with the Stay Flex on it. I've cut it exactly the same as the red piece, which is the cotton drill. And what I'm going to do is place both of the right sides together and then just sew two long lines, and then I'm gonna bag it out, as you can see. And that's the just the sewing line, and then you should easily be able to bag it out. Bagging out just means literally turning it inside out. Make sure to cut all the pointy bits, so when you bag it out, as you can see, you get a really good pointy bit there. And I've finished it off by just adding some poppers. Well, they're not poppers, I have no idea what they're called, but yeah, it's just my finishing, so I can easily just clip it on. And voila, time to decorate. These are literally just some cheap necklaces I bought from eBay and some little pearl rhinestones. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions whatsoever, just leave me a comment or feel free to email me. Keep shimmying and keep being fabulous. Alright, so I'm not actually shimmying, just to clarify. I'm actually doing some slides, and these clips are just from my online belly dance lessons. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you guys, and thanks you so much for watching and for your support.